Dementia is a growing concern for seniors and their families, with millions affected worldwide. While there is currently no cure for dementia, research suggests that certain lifestyle choices and preventive measures can significantly reduce the risk of developing this debilitating condition. This article explores expert recommendations based on the latest research to help seniors maintain cognitive health and potentially prevent dementia. 1. Engage in regular physical activity. Physical activity is one of the most effective ways to reduce the risk of dementia. According to studies, regular exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which can help maintain cognitive function. Experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, each week. Additionally, incorporating strength training exercises twice a week can aid in overall health and well-being. 2. Maintain a healthy diet. The link between diet and brain health is well documented. A Mediterranean diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and healthy fats like olive oil has been associated with a lower risk of dementia. Foods high in antioxidants, such as berries and omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, can also promote brain health. Seniors should aim to limit saturated fats, sugars, and processed foods to enhance their cognitive health. 3. Stay mentally active. Keeping the brain engaged is crucial for preventing cognitive decline. Experts suggest participating in activities that challenge the mind, such as puzzles, reading, or learning a new skill. Social interactions are equally important. Engaging in conversations and maintaining relationships can help stimulate cognitive function. Joining clubs, attending classes, or volunteering can provide opportunities for socialization while keeping the mind active. 4. Prioritize sleep hygiene. Quality sleep is essential for cognitive health. Research indicates that poor sleep patterns can contribute to the progression of dementia. Seniors should aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep each night. Establishing a consistent sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and maintaining a comfortable sleep environment can enhance sleep quality. If sleep issues persist, consulting a healthcare professional is advisable. 5. Manage chronic conditions. Chronic health issues, such as diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol, can increase the risk of dementia. Regular checkups and proper management of these conditions are crucial. Adhering to prescribed medications, following a healthcare provider's recommendations, and making lifestyle changes can help control these risk factors. 6. Limit alcohol and avoid smoking. Excessive alcohol consumption and smoking are both linked to an increased risk of cognitive decline. Experts recommend limiting alcohol intake to moderate levels defined as up to 1 drink per day for women and 2 for men. Quitting smoking is also vital. Studies show that smokers are at a higher risk for dementia than non-smokers. 7. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can negatively affect cognitive function. Seniors should ensure they are drinking enough water throughout the day. Experts recommend aiming for at least 8 cups of fluids daily, adjusting as necessary based on individual health needs and activity levels. Conclusion: while there is no guaranteed way to prevent dementia, adopting a healthy lifestyle can significantly lower the risk. By staying physically active, eating a balanced diet, engaging the mind, prioritizing sleep, managing health conditions, avoiding harmful substances, and maintaining hydration, seniors can enhance their cognitive health. It's essential for seniors and their families to be proactive in implementing these strategies to promote a healthier, more fulfilling life.